attempt to save water in our house, we're using the kitchen to wash our dishes in the parsonage. And my favorite saute pan cover met the floor. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlean.
And I'm the culprit. Yeah, I sort of dropped the lid, didn't I?
Sort of, yeah. So, we're going to see the pan is still great. I don't want to have to buy a new pan, so we're going to go to some thrift stores in Fredericksburg and see if we can find a cover that will fit. So that's why I'm carrying this along with us so we can measure appropriately and see if we can get another glass cover. Or someone's going to be buying me a new saute pan.
Merry Christmas.
There are several thrift stores here in Fredericksburg, and a couple of them are not open on Saturdays. So we're only going to be able to go to a few, but we're hoping that we can find what we're looking for. If not, I'll be going back another day this week when the other ones are open to see what they have. HCM Thrift Store, that one sounded like a really good one and had just pretty much everything. And that one closes at 3:30, so we're going to go there first. And that had the highest amount of ratings. Then there's Goodwill, and then St. Vincent de Paul. We always called it St. Vinny's for short. If you live anywhere near St. Vincent's, you probably give it that nickname too. Anyway, that one had actually the second highest score for reviews. So that one unfortunately is closed today. So we'll be going back there another day. And so here we go. You may be wondering why Gary is going along. Tell him what you like about thrift stores.
I like leaving them.
Leaving them? You like going to thrift stores.
Sometimes there's good finds, and sometimes it's a good place to leave things that we don't use anymore.
That's true. We do donate a lot of stuff. And we're still donating even though we've downsized. So anyway, here we go. It's kind of a cloudy, cool day today, but back in Wisconsin, the high, I think, is going to be 20-something, and here the high is going to be close to 50, 55, somewhere around there. We'll take it. Quite there. Okay, keep looking. Does it look like a match? Awesome. Wow. 50 cents. Cool. Oh my gosh, totally scored in this store. First of all, the proceeds go to the SPCA Animal Shelter here in Fredericksburg. And they have donations all the time from Dogology that we featured earlier. And I got this scarf and Chico jeans that fit. Oh my gosh, they were such a perfect fit. For, what was it, not even $6? $7? I gave her $7. I gave her $6 and I got change back.
Gave her $7.
I gave her $7 and got change back.
Yes.
That's still pretty darn good. They had a 30% off sale today. So I am super excited. Chico jeans and a new scarf. And we helped the SPCA besides. So as long as we are so close to the store, we are going to go into the animal shelter and just see what they have. Oh, look what just came up on our hood. Hello. She's trying to get to Gary.
No, you can't come in. No, sorry. It's the wrong store.
Look at her. Hello. Must be the welcome committee. Okay, so we're going to go in and we need a doggy fix. I think we just got a kitty fix, but we're going to need a doggy fix. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Aren't you cute? Oh, how old are they? Pepper and Pickles? Is that what that says? Pickles? Freckles. 3 months old. Cattle dog, Australian blue heeler. Really? Hello. Hi. And this is Mocha, 11 months old. Hello, sweetie. Hello. And you two, are they sister or brother or something? No?
No, they just came in together.
So now that's, again, the cattle dog Australian blue heeler. I guess this one though is not. That's got to be part. Yeah, hound. That's what I thought. Yeah. You're very cute. Yes, you are. Oh, they're being so nice. They're like, see how good I behave? See how well I behave? Hello, Wiggles. Hello. Oh, we're cute. Stuart. Is that Stuart? No. Sutton. Sutton is the Schnauzer mix.
Yes, Stuart is the lazy one.
Oh, hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Oh, I know. You're sweet. Yes, you are. Hello. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Yes, I can wag my tail. Harper. Harper, 1 year, 1 week. What kind of a dog is that?
Catahoula.
Catahoula leopard dog. And what are they good for?
I think they're usually some sort of working dog.
A work dog? Okay.
But Catahoula is those spots.
Ah, okay. All right. And this one. Vinny. This is Vinny. Hi, Vinny. Hi. And you are Plum. How did you get a name like that? Hi. Hello. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I wish I could take them all. And these are all small dogs, or?
We kind of have to clump the medium and small dogs together.
Okay. This is Ember. Ember, you are. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Oh, I'm not getting you on my film. Here we go. You're all ready to lick the face and everything, aren't you? You're ready to give kisses. Aww. Guardian Angel sponsor. This is Jill. Hi, Jill. Hi, Jill. Hi, sweetie. She won't look me in the eye. She must be very shy. Aw. Why was she returned?
I don't remember the exact reason why. She's such a sweet dog.
Yeah, she looks like it. Okay, Jill, 11 months old. Oh, this has got to be part husky. And the name is Chloe. You know your name, don't you? Hi, Chloe. Hello. Oh, sweet. Oh, and two little ones in here, Sawyer and Sam. Sam's the one with the floppy ear.
Oh.
And his ear is flopping in the picture here too.
Yeah.
So they came in together, that's why they're in pens together sometimes?
Yes, that means like they usually get along better.
Okay.
They've been with each other before.
Okay, all right. And this one is empty right now.
She's probably just outside. She's
Okay.
super shy.
And Oliver and Hanny. Oliver is the, oh my, that's Oliver. Hi, Oliver. And then Hanny. You look so sweet. I look at that face.
So they can run outside anytime they want, pretty much.
Yes. And we do have large dogs.
Okay. Oh, now there's tails going. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. This is Nevaeh. Pretty name. 3 years, 2 months, 4 weeks. And you're just a big baby. Oh my goodness, I wish I could pet your tummy. Yes. Oh, Grayson left. Okay. Grayson's out of the building. And this is Daisy, right?
Yes.
This is the one we saw on the Facebook page today. Hello, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. And she's supposed to be very good with children, we heard. On the Facebook page, anyway. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. She says, I'm being very good. I'm going to be very good.
I'm not even begging.
April. Oh, part German Shepherd and something else. No, just German Shepherd. Oh.
What?
Oh my. Mama. You had babies. And what's her name?
We don't have a name for her
I don't have a name for her yet.
So you gotta
So,
name all the babies too then.
yet. Yes.
Wow.
oh, and how old are the babies?
They are just a couple weeks old.
Yeah, they can't be too much. Oh, for precious. So it'll be a while before they'll be ready for adoption.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, I hear another one.
Yep.
Another mama. Now, were these from the same, they're the same kind of dog, right?
No.
Oh.
These two came in separately. She already had her puppies. She had her puppies here.
Oh, okay. Look how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, bless you, Mama. Does she have a name?
I don't think we have a name for her yet either.
Okay.
But these guys are just about a week old now.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Try to
precious.
get around.
Oh. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, we saw you before. You were on our truck. Yes. Hello. Oh. Yeah, you're a little escape artist, huh? Oh, such pretty kitties. There's one outside. Oh, they come in. That's pretty cool. Must be getting close to feeding time, huh? Is it getting close to feeding time? Oh, hello. kitties. You're silly kitties. You're silly. Hey, hey. Oh, so cute. I didn't see you. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hi. Rowdies. I can understand why you're sitting up there. Yeah. So that was fun. Wasn't it, dear?
Fun. Yes, it was.
It will be 3 years in February since we lost our Trixie. It's hard to believe. It was really hard losing her, and so it's the thought of getting another one right now, especially with our life being so uncertain as to, are we going to be someplace for a while? Are we going to be traveling all the time? I know other people do it. We just need to really give that a lot of thought before we make that commitment again. But I loved that shelter. It's a no-kill shelter, and so they don't euthanize any of the animals. As the pets get adopted out from this shelter, then they have a waiting list where they can get them from other shelters to prevent more animals from being euthanized. So you're really doing a good thing by adopting a dog from a shelter like that, and then they will help other animals and prevent them from being euthanized too. These are great animals. They just need a good home. Maybe you can be one of those forever homes. By all means, if you're anywhere near Fredericksburg, Texas, or you want any of these animals that we show today, come on down, because I'm sure they would welcome it. They also do a lot of education type things too, for like the schools and stuff too, about not being cruel to animals and everything. So it's a very nice facility, very clean, lots of room. The animals can come out, go in and out, and just, if you love animals, it's the place to go if you want to get one. Both on the outskirts of town, Trudy's Treasures and the SPCA Animal Shelter. And so it is worth the trip out there. It isn't that far out of the city limits. I don't even know if it was just out of the city limits, just a little bit. On Highway 16?
Yes.
Highway 16 south, out of Fredericksburg. We're not going to go to anymore because I got my jeans. The scarf was a bonus, and the pant cover. So we're good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that little bell next to it, and you will be notified every time a new video comes up. Check out our Facebook page, and until next time, God bless.